Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and onto this video I'm going to be teaching you how I made this crochet hair clip. And the materials you'll be needing is your hook. I'll be using 3mm hook. You'll be needing your darning needle. I bought this bow clip just to get that clip out of it, so if you can do the same as well. So I'll just take it off like this, and we're going to be needing our yarn, of course. So I'll be using this yarn, this acrylic yarn. It's 50 grams, and you'll be needing your glue, or you use either super glue or you have like your normal glue or glue gun glue. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So first things first, we're going to be making our slip knots. So you make your slip knots like this. After making your slip knots, we're going to be chaining 62 plus 1, that's 63. So you make a chain of 63. So to make a chain, just yarn over like this and pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through, so until you get 63, and I'll tell you what next to do. I've gotten my 63 chains now, so this is what it should look like. Then the next thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be making half double crochet, and to make half double crochet, just yarn over. We'll insert our hook in the second chain from the hook, not this first one, yeah, this second one. Insert our hook in the second one and make a half double crochet there. We'll be making 6, so this is 1. We'll make another half double crochet, 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the next to make the third half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the loop and pull through all like this until we have 6. So this is the 6 to 1. After making 6, we're going to making slip stitch. So this is how to make your slip stitch. No yarning over, just insert your hook in the next and pull through like this. So be making 6 slip stitch. Don't forget 6 half double crochet, 6 slip stitch. After having, this is the last slip stitch I'm going to do to make it 6. After making your 6 slip stitch, we're going to be making 16. In the next 16 stitches, we're going to be making 16 half double crochet again. So you make 16. Please always count. I know you'll be if you know you'll be confused, try to use a stitch marker to mark and indicate where you started your so where you ended your slip stitch, so you don't get confused. Please don't forget to always count so you don't make mistake. And if you don't count, you might not get the same results as me or as mine. So make sure this particular you're following like the particular order. So make 16 here. We're still making our 16 half double crochets actually. This is the last half double crochet that we're going to make it 16. So this is what you should have. This first place we made 6 half double crochet, 6 slip stitch and 16 half double crochets. After the 16 half double crochet, we're going to be making 6 slip stitches. So in the next 6 chains, we're going to slip stitch. So you make 6. After making your 6 slip stitch, we're going to be making 16 half double crochets. after the 6 slip stitch, we're going to be making 16 half double crochets. So make sure you count and be sure of like the numbers you are making. And please, if you are still watching till this point, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We are done with the 16 half double crochet. The next one we're going to be doing, we're going to be making 6 slip stitches again. So in the next 6 chains, we're going to make 6 slip stitch in the next 6 chains. After doing this, you should have like 6 chains remaining, and in that remaining 6, you have to do your 6 half double crochets in the last 6 chains you have. Make sure you have 6 chains, so you do 6 double crochets. And this is all for row 1. So this is what you have should look like. We have like 6 half double crochets, we have 6 slip stitch, we have 16 half double crochets, and so on. For row 2, chain 1 and turn your work. After turning your work, we'll be making half double crochets in the back loop. So this is like you see like a V shape. Put it at the back one like this. So making 6 half double crochets. 6, don't forget, at the back loop. So this is the second half double crochet that we are making. 3, 4, so now we have our 6 half double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After making the 6 half double crochets, we'll be making 6 slip stitches, and this 6 slip stitch will be falling under the 6 slip stitch we did the other time. So you make 6 slip stitches in the back loop, still in the back loop. Don't forget the back loop. After that, we'll be making 16 half double crochets. After the 6 slip stitches, we're making 16 half double crochets. So this 16 half double crochets we're making it on top of that other 16 we did in the first row. Do you understand? So we'll be making 16 half double crochets in the back loop. Don't forget, in the back loop. So this is what it should be looking like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After that, in the next 6 chains or 6 stitches, we're making slip stitches. So here is the hack. We are repeating the first row, but in the second row we're only doing it, the only difference is that we are doing it in the back loop. So the same place you had like your 6 double crochet, half double crochets and slip stitches, the same place you have it in the next row. So this is what we have. So here we have like 6 half double crochets and 6 slip stitch, 16 half double crochet, 6 slip stitch, 16 half double crochet. So we'll just continue like that till we get to the end. That is what is going to give it this shape like this. So yeah, right now we're doing like the next 16 half double crochets, and I'll see you right at the end. After the 16 half double crochet, we'll be making 6 slip stitches in the next 6 chains or 6 stitches. So just repeat the same thing like I said. You guys, this is me counting my stitches to be sure that I do not make any mistake, because it's very tricky sometimes and I'm not using stitch markers, so I have to like be very careful. So after that, I'll be making half double crochet, 6 half double crochets in the remaining stitches. Don't forget back loop. So I'll just make 6 double crochets in the remaining like this, and this is the last, second to the last, and this is the last one for this particular row. So this is what we should have. For row 3, just chain 1 and turn your work. So we are going to be repeating the same thing we did. So you make 6 half double crochets, 6 slip stitch, 16 half double crochets, 6 slip stitch, 16 half double crochets, 6 slip stitch, and 6 half double crochets. So for row 3, row 4 and row 5, you just repeat what we did in row 2. I don't know if you understand. So I'll see you right after my 5 rows, so like 3 more rows. This is what I have, and I am at the end of my 6th row. So don't forget to do it in the back loop. So yeah, this is what you should have as well. I'm going to chain 1, chain 2, and I'm going to cut my yarn, pull like this and tighten my end. So this is what you should have. So I'm going to take my darning needle, I'm going to be weaving in my ends. So just insert the yarn like this and just follow what I am doing in this video. And you repeat the same thing for the other side. After doing that, you're going to take what you've done like this, just turn it this way like this, and the other side as well like this. So it's in the middle, the 6 slip stitch between that 16 half double crochets and the other 16 half double crochets. That is where you put this, and that's when you have this shape. So take an extra yarn like this, just cut any length that you want. So you use this extra yarn to like tie this middle together. And if you don't want to tie it this way, you can actually use like your darning needle and sew it, like just tack everything together. But this tying method is way simpler to me, so you can do it as well. Just like as many times as you can. and tie the end as well, like the final tying like this. Make sure it's very tight so it doesn't loosen later on. After tying it, just cut off your yarn like this. Now we are going to the next step. After doing this, make sure like the remaining yarns are like very short and all. Then we're going to take our clip. This is the time you take your clip. So just take your clip and look for the right side that you want, how you want it to be. If you want it to be like pinned from like the right to left, like I don't know if you understand, Sha. Then you take your glue, put your glue on the clip the way I'm going to do in this video. Mind you, I'm using super glue, so if you're using any other type of glue, you just do the same thing as well. So just apply the glue to the clip and you take your bow, take that side where you tied, that's the back, where you tied the yarn. So just attach it to the clip like this, and it's going to like stick to it. So just press it, and make sure it's like very, very well attached. And yeah, this is what you have at the end of everything. I hope you had the same results with me, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can give this to your friends as a gift or even sell it. Don't forget to tag me when you create yours. See you in my next video. Bye.